Do you see me?
Yes, but I also want to see you sit down. Here you go. Focus on this. Focus on that. This a little bit. So this week, we're gonna do a lot of subjects, but this week in particular, we're gonna master all of your cards. Okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be your goal to master all of those cards. Mhm. That's all right. First letter.
L.
And what sound? All right. First letter. Well, that's the sound. What's the letter?
C.
And what's the sound? Good job. That's two. All right. What letter? That's the sound. What letter?
H.
And what sound? All right. What letter? Well, that's the sound. You gotta, yes, think letter is P. What's the sound? Good job. What's the letter?
V.
That's the sound. What is the letter?
V.
Yep. And what is the sound?
V.
Good job. And what is the letter?
W.
Good job. What is the sound?
W.
Alright, it's a tricky one. What is the letter?
G.
And what's the sound?
J.
What's this?
Go. G.
Good job. So I'll put this over here because you had a little trouble. These are the ones you didn't have easy peasy. That one gave you a little trouble. Alright. Was this letter?
Z.
And what sound?
G.
What sound?
V.
Z. Alright, put it over here because you got a little trouble. What letter?
R.
What sound?
V.
Alright. It's a tricky one. What letter?
D.
And what sound?
V.
What's that?
Dolphin.
What sound?
B.
Put it over here. You had a little trouble. What's this letter?
F.
What sound? Alright, good job. What letter? That's the sound. What letter?
F.
What's the sound? Good job. What letter? That's the sound. What letter?
K.
And what's the sound? Alright. What letter?
A.
And what's the sound?
F. E.
No, not it. What's another one?
A. Alligator. A.
Alright, that one got you trouble. Alright. What's this one?
N.
What letter?
N.
Okay. What letter?
A.
Yeah, that one's it. And what letter is it?
E.
Yep. So you said it for this one. This one is at. That one's gonna be a little tricky. Alright, what letter?
W.
Ooh, no. What is with a W. This is with the Y.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a little trouble, so put that over there. What letter?
T.
Yep, and what's the sound? What letter?
J.
And what's the sound?
K.
Mm-hmm.
Jellyfish. Yeah.
J. Put that over there. What letter?
B.
What sound?
B.
What letter? What's the sound? Oh, well, yeah. What letter?
M.
Yeah. And what's the sound?
Mm.
What letter?
O.
What's the sound?
O.
Well, yeah, that's one of them. What's another one?
A.
Yeah, like that.
Otter.
Good job. This one's tricky. Now remember?
My treasure chest is open.
Well, it's not supposed to be open. Anywho, that's very observant.
Nothing is in there.
Not right now. Good luck. What letter?
I don't know.
You don't remember? U.
U.
You remember the sound?
It's to you.
Well, I mean, it's a big U and a little bit U. You remember the U sound?
Yeah.
What?
What?
That's W. Oh. Like
Umbrella.
umbrella. Yeah. What about this one?
A.
Well, what letter?
A.
What letter?
A.
No, the letter is I.
I.
Yeah. And what's the sound?
E.
What's this?
Acorn. A.
Alright, these are your new ones. This one is the letter what?
X.
Alright, and it makes a X sound. Yeah, it's kind of, this one's a little tricky, but the X makes a X sound. X. 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 Like box.
Box.
X. Box. Yeah. This one says X. Like box.
Box.
Alright, and this one is what letter?
I don't know.
This is a Q.
Cute. You don't look like that.
Yes, they do. This is a big Q and a little Q. So Q is, you know what sound? What sound does a Q make?
I want to hear this sound.
What sound does a Q make? We can do that after we're done.
There.
Qu. This is Qu. Alright, so these are what we got to work on. These are the ones that you had trouble with. Okay? And these are all the ones you know. So we got to work on these this week.
When we get older, I'm gonna know all of my alphabet.
Well, hopefully we can learn these sooner than later. Alright, so let's go back to
Alphabet.
Okay. Let's focus.
Can I hear that?
No, I need you to focus. Your hands are dirty. We don't wipe them after you're done. And remember, I need you to focus.
Cry.
Alright. So, what letter? Look here. What letter?
U.
And what's the sound?
I need E. Your lip right here.
It's okay.
Is it from the light of the red light?
No, everything's okay. I just need you to focus on eating so we can finish. the sound again?
Yes.
Good job. Alright. Letter. Letter.
G.
And what sound?
A.
What is this?
O. G.
Alright, you got trouble? Put right there. Alright, we just learned this one, so it's okay if you don't know it. You remember the sound? Kss. Like box.
Box.
So when I say box, the reason why I say that is because
Oh, I want.
Nova, you don't know what I'm about to do. So no, I have to do it first and then you can do it. Alright, so D-O-X. This is the X. Okay, you see the X right here? Do you see the X right here? Yes? Nod your head yes if it's a yes. Okay. So when I say box, this is the letter that I'm trying to get you to see right here. Okay, so when you say box, that's what you mean, box. And this is your x, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's get back to life. Alright, so you remember what this one is? What's the sound?
Box.
X. Okay, we'll work on that. Alright, this is your other new one. What letter?
I don't know.
Q. Alright, this is a Q. What letter is this?
Q.
And it goes Qu.
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 Alright. Now, what's this one?
A.
Good job.
For igloo.
Yeah, and iguana. So I'll put this over here, because you got that one right. Alright, whoa. Hold up. Listen to what I say. Follow directions. Leave that alone. Follow directions. Let's focus on learning. Can we do that? Can you be a listener? Yes or no? Because if not, we would just go to sleep right now. Do you want to be a listener or do you want to go to bed right now? I need you to make up your mind. You're a big girl. You got 5 seconds to say yes or no. 5. Okay. What number? What letter is this? Do you remember? It's okay if you don't.
No.
Alright, so this is the letter U. Okay? Alright, what did Baba say about following directions? If you do that again, it's over. Listen to what I have to say and follow directions.
Okay.
If you do not follow directions, I do not care if you start crying because you aren't listening. I'm giving you the opportunity right now to listen. If you do not listen, we are going to bed. Okay? This is your learning time. Alright? So I need you to pay attention. Alright? I love you.
I love you.
Alright, your brain, we're getting smarter, okay? I need you to have attention, and I need you to look at the letter when we talk about the letter. That's how you learn it better. So this is a U. Can you say a U?
You.
And can you say for like umbrella? So what's the sound? Good job. Alright. Do you know what letter this is?
No.
Do you know what this is?
Joe.
You know the sound?
Joe.
What's the sound?
J.
Good job. What letter?
L.
No, that's not an L. You know what an L looks like. This is a J.
J.
Can you say J?
J. Sorry.
Okay. This is J, right? And it goes J. Alright. What letter?
Y.
Good job. Do you know what sound this one makes? No, not Get your hands out of your nose. It was just in your mouth. That's really nasty. I need you to be more clean. You are a lady. Do not be nasty. I'm gonna get you a wipe so you can wipe your hands, okay?
Did I put this one in?
No. All of that's nasty. You don't put stuff in your mouth.
This one is nasty.
No, look. You don't put your hands in your mouth. That's it. That's it. Did you hear what I said? Learn how to follow directions, please, okay? You need to listen. If you don't listen, we're going to bed. I'm trying to get you to follow directions. All you have to do is listen, okay? I don't want to get upset, and I don't want to yell at you. I just want you to listen, okay? I'm going to get you some wipes so you can wipe your hands, alright? Okay, I love you. Okay, I don't want you to be upset. I just want you to follow directions. Okay, I'm gonna get you a wipe, alright? Let's wipe them good. Both hands, let's go. Both hands. Thank you. All I need you to do is follow directions. Wipe them good. Look at your hands when you wipe them. That way you know what you're doing. Your hands are still dirty because you're not wiping them good. Let me see your hands. Let me see your face. No liner. Let's go. We're almost done. You want to be done right now? Take a deep breath. Calm yourself. Feel your emotions. It's okay. It's okay. Breathe it out. Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Calm yourself down a little bit. focus on breathing. In your nose, out your mouth. It's okay. Whenever you got big emotions and big feelings, you gotta practice breathing, okay? Alright? When you have big feelings, you got a lot of big feelings in there, okay? And it's better to breathe out your feelings. Just take your time, calm yourself down, okay? I'm gonna do another big breath, Papa. Come on. 3, 2. You gonna do it, Papa? Come on. Are we done breathing? Are we done learning? Okay, well look, we only got 3 more cards left, okay? Alright, so letter. Yeah, you know the sound? What's the sound for this one?
I don't remember.
Okay, what's this?
Alligator.
Yeah, like apple. Alright. You know the sound? So, and then last one. Y. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the ones you gotta remember this week. Alright? These are the ones you know. So, so you put these there. These will be your